Since late October, 3i Atlas has been showing a non-gravitational acceleration that cannot be explained by gravity alone. It is weak, continuous, and remarkably consistent, lasting for more than a month. Not a burst, not a transient event, but a stable pattern. Week-to-week changes in A1, A2, and A3 all point to the same conclusion. The object is adjusting its trajectory with a gentle, steady push that behaves less like activity and more like control. What changed after perihelion? From late October to December 1, A1 decreases slowly but remains clearly positive. A2 stays elevated and relatively stable. A3 is negative but gradually. This is a continuous signature, not a thermal spike from solar heating. There are no outbursts, no random fluctuations, just a steady behavior over weeks. It resembles a system that's operating, not one that's cooling down after perihelion. The conditions that must exist for a natural object to produce consistent acceleration for a full month after perihelion, all of the following conditions must happen simultaneously. 1. A large reservoir of volatile water ice, not observed. 2. A fixed, stable jet direction, something comets simply do not exhibit. 3. A persistent thermal mechanism, despite the object moving away from the Sun. 4. A stable A1, A2, A3 relationship over many weeks, not characteristic of natural outgassing. Even highly active comets do not maintain directional acceleration with this level of stability so long after perihelion. Why the natural model fails? The issue is not one data point, it's the pattern. Stable, directional, low noise, self-consistent. Natural outgassing is chaotic. It rotates with the nucleus. It changes with illumination. It varies as different pockets of ice are exposed. But here, the acceleration behaves as if it is compensating for small deviations, as if it is self-correcting. This leads naturally to the central idea of the episode: steering. In our model, the acceleration is not meant to speed up the object. It is meant to steer it. A gentle, continuous thrust. Small corrections rather than propulsion. A controlled, regulated output rather than chaotic venting. This matches concepts seen in plasma-based propulsion, electrically driven reaction systems, controlled emission of working fluids. It behaves like a navigational mechanism, not sublimation. And notably, the pattern is becoming more stable as the object recedes from the Sun, not weaker. If the pattern holds, we will be able to show that this is not an event, but a system characteristic. Summary: the non-gravitational acceleration measured since late October does not behave like natural cometary noise. It is too stable, too directional, too consistent. It behaves less like sublimation and more like steering, a mechanism that corrects, adjusts, and guides. And every new observation helps us test that.